Students, today I am going to discuss the exercise 6.4, question number A, fill in the equivalent fraction. To find the equivalent fraction, either we multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. Here in this question, to find the equivalent fraction, we are going to divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. And that number should be a common factor of both numerator and denominator. Now see the first example. Here the fraction is 14 upon 21. Now which is the common factor of 14 and 21? 7 is the common factor because 14 and 21 both are divisible by the 7. Hence, to find the equivalent fraction, we are going to divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, that is 7. When we divide 14 by 7, what we will get? 2. 7 2s are 14. And when we divide 21 by 7, we get 3. 7 3s are 21. Hence 2 upon 3 is the equivalent fraction of 14 upon 21. Now see the second example. Here the fraction is 6 upon 10. Now which is the common factor of 6 and 10? 2 is the common factor. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10, right? So here we are going to divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, that is 2. When we divide 6 by 2, we will get 3, and when we divide 10 by 2, we get 5. Hence, 3 upon 5 is the equivalent fraction of 6 upon 10. Now see some more example. In third example, the fraction is given 10 upon 16. Here again, to find the equivalent fraction, we need to divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. Here, but only numerator is given to us, that is 2, and denominator is missing. So what should we write in the denominator? Children, just now we have seen that to find the equivalent fraction, we divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, right? Since 10 is to be divided by 2, we need to divide 16 by 2 as well to find the equivalent fraction. So here 2 will come. Now 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Hence 5 upon 8 is the equivalent fraction of 10 upon 16. Now see the last example. Here the fraction is 15 upon 10. And here 15 is only divided by 5. And again denominator is missing. So what should we write in the denominator? Yes, 5 only. Now 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. And 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Hence 3 upon 2 is the equivalent fraction of 15 upon 10. Now let us discuss the mental maths, which is given in your textbook on page number 95. Divide by a common factor to find the equivalent fraction. Here the fraction is 2 upon 10 and we are asked to find out the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 10 by dividing both numerator and denominator by their common factor. Now, here you can see that 10 is divided by 2. So we get 5, right? Since the denominator is to be divided by 2, we need to divide numerator by 2 as well to find the equivalent fraction, right? So when you divide numerator 2 by 2, what will you get? 1. Hence, here the missing number is 1 only, and 1 upon 5 is the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 10. Now see one more example. Here the given fraction is 9 upon 12, right? And in the next fraction, we are given only numerator, which is 3, and denominator is missing. Now let's see how to find the denominator. Now let us find out the relation between numerator first. How will you get this 3 from 9? Yes, when you divide the numerator 9 by the number 3, you will get 3, right? 3 3s are 9. Since numerator is to be divided by 3, we need to divide denominator by 3 as well to get the equivalent fraction. So when we divide denominator 12 by 3, we get 4. Right? Hence, the missing number is 4. So 3 upon 4 is the equivalent fraction of 9 upon 12.